Hi everyone! Today I'd like to show you the merge function in 3Dsurvey. With merge function you can join two point clouds or duplicate a single one in case you have selected just one point cloud. So here we have flight 1 and flight 2. As you can see from the point cloud, they overlap really well, and in case you would like to join these two point clouds, click on merge. It will take a few seconds because we have around 90 millions of points, and as a result you will get a single point cloud with the flight 1 and flight 2 together. We can see the result in 3D window and in the list of point cloud where the third point cloud was created, flight 1 plus flight 2 together. Another option to use the merge function is in case you have selected just the single point cloud and you click on merge, you actually just duplicate the point cloud. In the list of point cloud will appear new point cloud with the same name. Why using this function? If you would like to do the manipulation on point cloud and keep the original one, this is the function you could use. I will just rename the new one as duplicate, and now I can start with point cloud manipulation. For example, select my area of interest, go to point cloud manipulation, select height 2 or increase height plus 10 meters. As you can see it here, we did the manipulation on our duplicated point cloud, but if I select also the original one from the point cloud list, we can see that the original data was not changed.